Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Trubin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix could not send message problem on your messenger in iPhone and Android device. Lot of Facebook Messenger user has been reporting to could not send message problem on messenger in iPhone and Android device. Now the messenger users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. In this brand new video, I give you some solutions for could not send message problem on messenger. So guys, please make sure you follow the steps. Now the first one solution is latest versions to update your messenger application. Now the first of all, open the App Store in the iPhone and Play Store in the Android device. Top corner search bar. In search bar, search messenger application. Search the messenger. After you can see also if you any latest versions available. Now latest versions to update your messenger applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now the second most important solution is clear cache and clear data of the messenger applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now what to do now? First of all, find out the messenger applications from the home screen. Press and hold, and now second last option is app information. Now tap on that. Now the first one option is storage uses. Now wait for the calculations of the storage of messenger application. Now the right hand side edge is clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure both done on your iPhone and Android device. Now the third one solution is uninstall messenger applications and reinstall again. Now find out the messenger applications, press and hold, and last option is uninstall. When the uninstall is successfully done, now simple thing is open the App Store and Play Store and download again and log in your account. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Now I will show you last solutions of could not send message problem on messenger. Now the solution is download install the versions of the messenger applications on your iPhone and Android device. Strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect. After open the any browsers. In my case I will open the Chrome browser. In the browser's top corner search bar, in search bar search old versions of the messenger. Search after you can see also first website available. Now this website link I give you on my descriptions box, so easily copy and paste on your browser and open it. Now the select the any one old versions of the messenger. This way too you can easily download install successfully done after login your account. This way too you can easily could not send message problem fix on your messenger application. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you.